Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Radiant Lectures for Class 7th.
Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today I am here with lecture number 3, topic number 8, that is product of polynomials. So students, firstly we know about rules of product of polynomials. Rule number 1, coefficients multiply with each other. Now we just revise what is coefficient. In this first example and in first bracket, this 5 is called coefficient, and in second bracket 7 is called coefficient. Come on rule number 2, signs multiply with each other. What is signs? We know basic operations, plus, minus, multiply, divide. These are called basic operations, and here we talk about plus and minus. Okay, and now come on this example. In this first example there is no sign, it means plus sign is there, and in second bracket again there is no sign, it means plus sign is there, that is in a hidden form. Okay, so signs multiply with each other means we will multiply these plus and plus multiply with each other. When I explain example, then your concept will clear, right? Okay, now come on rule number 3, that is if bases are same then add exponents. What is basis? Variables are called bases. Variables like alphabets are called variables or bases. So in first example x is called base, and in second bracket this x is called base. And now we talk about exponents. What are exponents? We know exponents will be on the top. In this bracket this is base and its exponent is 1, and in second bracket this is base x and its exponent is 2. So he is saying if bases are same, like x and x both are same, then their exponents will be added. Okay students, now we come on examples, and I solve one example and then the other 3 examples I will solve directly, right? Okay, now again before solving this example we read first rule again. Coefficients multiply with each other. What are the coefficient in first example? You will write in bracket 5 is coefficient and here 7 is coefficient. What we have to do? We have to multiply them. Okay, my first rule is implement. Now the second rule, signs multiply with each other. What is the sign of first bracket? That is plus. That is plus. We have to multiply plus with this bracket sign, that is again plus. Students, we know very well if there is no sign between brackets then multiply sign comes. Okay, this is the basic concept, you should know about it. Okay, now third, coefficients multiply with each other, signs multiply with each other. Now what we have to do? If bases are same, in both brackets alphabets are same, bases are same, so what we have to do? We have to add their exponents, right? Base, we will write base one time, and what is its exponent? That is 1, and what is its exponent? That is 2. We have to add them. Now multiply. 5 sevens are 35. Plus plus, we know the rules of integers. We have learned in 6th class. When we will multiply plus with plus, then answer will be plus. And we know very well always signs come in the beginning, right? Now when we will add their exponents, then answer will be x raised to power 3. My answer is plus 35 x raised to power 3. Okay, now come on the second example. Now we will solve directly. Firstly, coefficient with each other. What is coefficient? 12, and what is coefficient? 2. 12 2s are 24. Now we have to multiply signs. This bracket has minus sign, this bracket has plus sign. Minus plus minus. Now what is a base here? Y, and what is base here in second bracket? Y. Both bases are same, so their exponents will be added. this y has exponent 1. So 1 plus 3, answer will be y raised to power 4. Come on the third example. Coefficients each other. 4 2s are 8. This term, this bracket has plus sign, this bracket has minus sign. So plus multiply with minus, answer will be minus, plus minus minus. Now there are two variables are using in our both brackets. Now we have to collect the same bases. Now check. X has exponent 1, this x has exponent 2. These two bases are same, so add their exponents. What is answer? X raised to power 3. And y and this y cube have the same variable, so add their exponents. This has exponent 1, this y has exponent 3, so answer will be y raised to power 4. Add their exponents. Come on the last example. Now 9 2s are, firstly multiply their coefficients. 9 2s are 18. Then signs multiply with each other. Minus multiply with this minus, answer will be plus, minus minus plus. Now collect the same bases. This is x, this is again x. Add their exponents. X raised to power 2 and x raised to power 4. Answer will be x raised to power 6. Y cube and y2. Add their exponents because y and y both bases are same. So y raised to power 3 plus 2, 5. Okay students, I am sure your concept will be clear. Now we come on the question of next exercise 6.2. Then your concept will be more clear. If you will have any confusion, then your confusion will be removed inshallah. Now students, I have written question number 1 from 6.2 and I have written 5th part. Okay, what is the question number 1? Find the product of the following. Now firstly we should know what is coming before comma. 4x. 4x means this is a monomial, and here there are 3 terms, it means trinomial. This question, this part is different from my previous example, so that's why I have written part number 5. Okay, secondly you should know about this comma. Comma means we have to put multiply sign between both polynomials. Okay, on the first step we will write 4x, you will write in bracket, and the trinomial will be again in bracket like this. Now what does it mean? Firstly you should know very well, multiply sign comes between 2 brackets. It means we have to multiply this monomial with this triangle. Okay, now I write, I put some arrows, so you will be, it will be very easy for you for understanding. 4x multiply with this 3x square, again 4x multiply with this 7x, and then after 4x multiply with this 6. Now I write in brackets. 4x into 3x square, into means multiply sign. Now first I have written first 4x multiply with 3x square. Now which sign is coming? Plus sign is coming, so that this plus sign will come down as it is. Now 4x multiply with this 7x. 4x into 7x. Now which sign is coming next? Minus. This will come down as it is. Now 4x multiply with this 6. 4x into 6. It's not compulsory to do this step, but just I want to explain in detail, so that's why I am doing this step. Okay, otherwise you can do directly, it's up to you totally. Now what was the first rule? Coefficients multiply with each other. Now one by one these brackets. 4 3s are 12, both bases are same, add their exponents. X raised to power 3, plus will come down, coefficients multiply with each other. 4 7s are 28, their signs are plus plus, so answer will remain plus. x has exponent, this x has one exponent, add their exponents because both bases are same, add their exponents. Now this minus will come down, 4 6 are 24. Now here you can see, students, just one base is coming, here there is no base, so this we will not ignore this base will come down as it is. Okay students, now I do the remaining 4 cells. And one more thing students, today you are listening some voices of, do you know why birds are chirping? Actually these birds have brought some surprise for you. So just for getting that surprise, you have to watch this video till end. Okay, just wait and watch. Now students, we have come on next question number 2, that is evaluate the following. And in part number 1 you can see again there are 2 brackets, and what has come in both brackets? In first bracket 2 terms is coming, and in again second bracket 2 terms are coming. It means we have to multiply binomial with binomial. Now when you will be able to understand this part number 1, then easily you can do the remaining parts. In last 2 parts, in first bracket trinomial will be there, and in second bracket binomial will be there. Okay, so please put focus and take this lecture, watch this lecture with concentration. Firstly students, we will use both terms of first bracket. What is the first term? 2x. After writing 2x, we have to insert round brackets and leave it empty. Now, which sign is coming next? Minus sign. That will come down. And what is the second term? That is 3. And again we have to insert bracket, round bracket, and leave it empty. Okay, now what we have to write in this empty bracket? We have to put this second round bracket. Okay, what second, you can say second binomial here, like 3x minus 4 and 3x minus 4 here. Now you can easily understand. You can just imagine 2 questions has become, and this question has become just like the previous example, and again it has become just like the previous question. Okay students, now we have to open brackets. What does it mean? It means 2x multiply with this 3x and 2x multiply with this 4. One by one we will solve it directly. 2 3s are 6, bases are same, their exponents will be added, x raised to power 2. Which sign is coming next? Minus. 2 4s are 8. Okay, actually students, we know this 2x has plus sign and this 4 has minus sign. So when we will multiply plus with minus, then answer will be minus. After these coefficients multiply with each other, 2 4s are 8, and here just x is alone, because there is no base with this 4, so this x will be as it is. Now my first bracket is solved. Come on the next bracket. Minus. 3 has minus sign, 3x has plus sign inside the bracket. So firstly coefficients multiply with each other. 3 3s are 9, x will be as it is because just this term has base. And now when we will multiply signs with each other, then this 3 has minus sign, this 3x has plus sign. When we will multiply minus plus minus, answer will be minus. Now coefficients multiply with each other. 3 4s are 12. Okay, now 4 has minus sign and this 3 has minus sign. When signs multiply with each other, then minus minus plus. There is no base, so this 12 will be as it is again. There will be no base. Okay, now students, we have to solve it further. After opening brackets, now we have to check any like term is here. What are the like terms, students? Just go in your previous video and previous lecture. If bases are same and their exponents are same, they are called like terms. And if any like term is in my step, then we have to simplify. Okay. my middle two terms are called terms, so we have to solve them, and both terms have minus sign. We know very well minus plus and answer will be minus, sign will be minus with answer. 8 plus 9 17x, and what we have to do, the first term and the last term, that will come down as it is, 6x square plus 12. Okay students, now you have to do the remaining, I think 4 or 5 parts are there, you have to do by yourself. Now students, in the end of this video you can watch the cute sparrow, and you can also listen the voice of this cute sparrow that has brought a surprise for you in the form of test and diary. Okay? There are total 3 questions in your test, that is test number 1. And what is the diary next? Exercise 6.2, question number 1 and 2 you have to complete in your classwork notebook with proper formation. And for test you can use your rough registers. Okay students, thank you so much. Take care.